Hello and welcome back to South Coast Level Crossings, and we are on the other side of Lydney Station level crossing, and we're now waiting for a train from Cardiff Central to Nottingham. Now you see where the Mini is parked up there on the left hand side, just above its bonnet. You can see some posters. Those posters are from Network Rail explaining that the Severn Tunnel is closed and warning people that there will be an increased service of trains through this area. So there are those posters, one in English, one in Welsh, and both those posters are just warning that there'll be more trains and telling people to reading them to be careful around here. So nice to see Network Rail are warning people of increased train services. But for now, we shall wait for one train service to Nottingham. And there we go. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.